Hey, you know the grind don't stop. Let's get it.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Before and After the Mix. Just like the title state, YouTuber on a budget. If that's you, you can relate to this video. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate the love and support. And best believe I am a YouTuber on a budget. And today it's going to be a video about more like sharing, right, from my own personal experience and the things that I should have done, as well as a box opening and filming like a pro using just your iPhone. Not a fancy camera, just your iPhone. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. Hopefully you watch till the very end. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to smash the like, share it out, because sharing is caring, and I would really appreciate that. With all that talking out the way, let's get into the video. Okay, so being a YouTuber is something everyone can do, but not everyone will find the same level or type of success when it comes to this journey. I've been doing this for 8 months. I've had my ups, my downs. I've even had points where I'm like, yo, F YouTube. Like, what am I even doing this for? Like within like the first 4 months, right? But it's a learning curve, trial and error, like I always say, and like I always keep on saying, the grind don't stop. Like I'm thinking of making that my slogan. Why not? But let's get into the video. Let's get to the topic at hand. So behind me, being a YouTuber on a budget, let me go ahead and get my big old head out the way so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Being a YouTuber on a budget means you have to make investments. Well, not just being a YouTuber on a budget. Being a YouTuber, period. You have to make investments, you know, on yourself, the channel, and all of that. So being that I'm on a budget, you have to look for the deals. You have to look for the good stuff out there that works for you, that you can afford, that goes with, you know, with the budgeting. So what you're looking at right now, that's what I'm actually going to do box opening for, because I just ordered it and it actually came. Here it is in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Reason why I bought this, I'm sick of asking people, can you take a picture for this? Can you take a picture for that? While I'm trying to, like, you know, do my thing. So I went on and I got this on the screen right now. Like this is, you know, it even has a remote control, right? How cool is that? And it's not expensive, so it's within my budget. So I don't know, you know, your budget, how it is, if you can make this, if you can, you know, work this in, work it in, you know, figure it out. No excuses, because it works. It works. It looks pretty cool, and I've always wanted one. Again, for the simple fact that I don't like going to random people, especially nowadays with COVID and all that. You want to be safe, right? You don't want to be like, oh, can you take my pictures, you know, having them touch your phone and stuff like that. But let's stick to the topic at hand here. If you're a brand new YouTuber, you know, you don't have the funds to go out and buy a fancy Canon like this, right? Which I'm still learning how to use properly. You have your phone, that's all you need. You're ready to go. It doesn't even matter if it's an iPhone way back as an iPhone 6, 7, 8, whatever it is that you have that has a camera. Go. Start with it. And your first 100 videos will be trash. Like my first 100 videos were trash. Who am I kidding? Some of the videos I have now are trash, but it's a learning curve, trial and error, like I keep on saying, you know. But let me go ahead and open this up without cutting myself. Look at my trusty knife, man. Sharp as hell. Go ahead, put the knife back. But being on a budget, you guys, does not mean you cannot be a great YouTuber, an amazing content creator. This is the first, I'm guessing this is like the tripod itself that's in there, right? We're gonna put this aside, and I'm always learning. Actually, everything seems to be within this one box. Everything, there's just plastic in here, and the box is empty. Like everything else in here, like everything will be inside this. This is how it. This is it. This is it. I'm holding it upside down. Yep, this is it. Okay. But yeah, being a YouTuber on a budget, for me personally, I'm 8 months into my YouTube journey. The second month, I went out and I bought that fancy Canon M50 that you see here. That was a learning curve because I did not know how to use it, but I knew pretty much everything about my smartphone. I've had a smartphone for God knows how long, so I know how to use that more. And you know, I know how to edit on my smartphone. Everything is easier for me on the smartphone. The apps that I use is Splice. I'll put it somewhere on here in the corner somewhere. I'll put the link in the description as well for the app that I use. There's iMovie. There's always options and stuff like that, but I try to go with the basics, user-friendly, because who am I kidding? I'm a little slow with things. You know, I'm not a techie, but that should not be an excuse to not... Oop, something fell. That should not be an excuse to, like, not trying things out. You know what I mean? Put yourself out there and see what happens. So, the box is completely empty now. Okay. Put this back. Give me 1 second. The remote fell, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. It wasn't actually the remote that fell. The remote is actually on here. Like, built in. That is pretty freaking cool. Pretty fancy, if I say so myself. What ended up on the ground was this. It's kind of like it's the mount piece that holds the your phone. Let me go ahead and use my trusty knife. Put it back. I'm trying to cut myself. But yeah, that's the mount. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and my phone doesn't have a big case on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if does it matter. Oh, there's a lock. All right, so any size will do. Go ahead, see that? Any size, like it doesn't fit the phone right, so I'm just gonna keep on twisting. And again, my case is not that big on here, right? It's not all that big, but there it is. Fits perfectly, fits like a glove, and I can go ahead and tighten this again on a budget. Like, nice fit, right? Looks pretty good. No issues on here. Look at that. Look at that logo. Look at that. Look at the logo. All right. And this, it looks like it could, like, there's different levels. I see 3, so it could be hopefully just as tall as me, you know, when it comes to taking pictures. I'm 6. Nah, who am I kidding? I'm 5'10". I'm not that tall. But I don't think it'll be a problem. Look at it's a little mix, all these little you hear that noise? It's me twisting. Like, I don't, it's it is what it is. So let me go ahead and put this on here and see if I can go ahead. All right, so it's on here now. No issues, right? It's pretty cool. For the price altogether, this was like $21.24. I don't know if the camera will zoom on that, or if not, I could just bring it a little closer. Like, there we go. Boom, $21.24 to get this. Again, I'm on a budget, so I got to make sure I do the things that work best within my budget. And with this, you can record, take pictures, right? Like this, when you're recording, you could, I can see myself using my phone to do thumbnails and stuff like that with as well. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's pretty cool. And let me see how, I didn't even, on like the levels, I was saying I'm 5'10". Like, already, like, this is pretty tall. I didn't even open the bottom for it yet, and it's already like way above. Like, I have pretty high ceilings. Let me go ahead and lock this in. Lock this one in. Lock this one in. It's like my lights, they're pretty big. So it's like over my light right now, just above it. So I think this will work perfectly for me. The price is right. Shoot, if it's free, it's for me. But this was not free. With shipping and handling, it came to like $21.24, like I've stated before. So this works. These are the deals that you have to go out there and find and to make things work for you, right? If you're just starting out as a YouTuber and you all you have is a phone, right? All you have is a phone. Like you don't have a camera, nothing like that. Best believe you are ready to go. Best believe you are ready to start this journey, because all you need is a budget and a phone, and you're ready. The other skills that you will pick up along the way as you go, I should say, right? Learning how to speak, looking at the lens, you know what I mean, rather than yourself, you know what I mean, giving perfect eye contact like I am now, and when to break eye contact, because you don't want to keep looking, you know what I mean, like I'm looking at you like the entire video, like yeah, never breaking eye contact. That would be a little weird. All stuff like that you get to learn along the way, but you don't have to put a hole in your pocket along the way. You don't have to go out and buy the most expensive things along the way, you know, frustrating, especially like you went out and buy a $600 camera like this. You make a video with the camera, but you don't really know how to use the camera, so no views, right? You don't know how to rank the video using TubeBuddy or whatever software that you're using, Video IQ or whatever else that's out there, because there's options for everything, right? You don't get no views, but no one knows about your channel. Crickets. And it's a learning curve using cameras like this. So what was the point of you going out buying a $600 camera when you already have a perfectly well working camera on your phone? Right? But you still need to buy the best little, you know, tools, little gadgets here and there to, you know, to get your channel as a YouTuber to the next level, you know? So if you could get anything out of this video, don't go out right away buying the most expensive things thinking that's going to get you to the big level, to the next level, I should say, with the big boys, you know, people that's been doing YouTube God knows how long. So stick to your lane. Learn, watch the big boys do it, right? Learn from them, try to remix it into your own style, but don't go out there buying the big things, you know what I mean? Stick to your budget. If you could take anything from this video, stick to your budget. If you don't have a budget, create a budget and stick to it. Go out there, look for the deals, look what will fit for your channel. Don't try to run. It's not a race. Take your time, do it, and do it right. I know, because I did not do it right. I was just like running. Like, I want this now. I want this now. Chill. Pump your brakes. It's not a race. Take your time. Do it right. Create a budget. That's all I got to say for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys, you know, check this out. I'll leave the link in the description below. I am not getting paid for this. This is just me sharing, and I really truly believe this is it. I'm gonna be using this a whole lot. Certain things I get, and after like a few times of using it, I'm done with it. But I think this one, I'm going to have this with me at all times, you know, like an accessory. Like you have your car keys, you have your mask, you have your tripod. You know, something along those lines. I'm gonna have it with me in the car when I'm ready to take a picture, especially on the go. Again, I don't want to ask somebody, oh, can you hold my phone that you don't know what I've been doing with my hand to take a picture for me? You know what I mean? That person touching the phone and then giving it back. It's just too much. Be safe out there, people. You know what I mean? Like I say, though, the grind don't stop. Thank you for coming. I thank you for watching. Hopefully you check this out. If this is not something that you're interested in, that's fine. I will try and do my best to make more videos like this. Surprisingly, I like them. I'm a gamer, but I don't just want to do game. I want to put things out there that, you know, that might help somebody else. And if this video helps one person, mission accomplished. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Much love, be safe, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. I'm out. Take care. Ask for? What more can you ask for? Stick to your budget, people.
Hey, you know the grind don't stop. Let's get it.